Okay, we're going to talk about setting up the Bedbug block heat package. This is the Bedbug block heater, and it has 3 inlets. Each of these draw 12 amps each. So you need 3 15 or 20 amp circuits, either one, to power this heater. One of these heating elements is using 10 amps to the heater coil that it powers, and the other 2 amps are powering the fan and the thermostat. So you're getting 24 to 34 amps worth of power out of this machine as far as creating electric heat. So I'm going to take the cords that it comes with. Is going to be a 15, a 25, and a 50, and that's because we know we need to spread the cords out to different circuits within the home. I'm going to place the heater here, and it's blowing its hot air this way. Right towards the headboard where ground zero is going to be for most of the bedbug activity. And then I'm going to place the fan on the other side of the bed, and I'm going to have it blowing this way. So what we're getting is 2 blades of a blender spinning that air throughout this room. So I'm going to go get my cords and we'll plug it in. Okay, so I've run the 15-foot cord here to the room, to an outlet in the room that I'm treating. I've run the 25-foot cord into the hallway. That's going to be a separate breaker. And I've run the 50-foot cord into the living room, or excuse me, the dining room. So now I'm going to plug them in. I want to make sure when I plug them in that I plug them in nice and tight. Okay, give everything an extra little push. If you plug them in loosely, it creates a lot of resistance. It's hard on the cords, it's hard on the machine. And so there's all 3 of the heating elements are plugged in. Make sure they're nice and tight. Now I'm going to run this for 24 hours. There's a timer on the machine here that I can set for 12 hours. I don't want it to just run for 12 hours. I want to set this to run for 24 hours. So I'm just going to put this in the on position, which means there is no timer happening. Once I have it set up, I'm going to turn the fan on. Then I'm going to turn the heating elements on. It's telling me the temperature in the room currently. If I press the set button, it's going to tell me that it's set for 132. I can dial that up or down. I like it at 132, that's what we recommend. So then I'm going to press the set button again, and now that's the temperature it's set to come at. And I'm going to place the heater down here, facing toward the headboard. Now I'm going to place the fan across the room on the other side of the bed, directing that heat back towards the heater. You always want to have your cords behind the heaters and fans, if at all possible. And I can plug that in right here. I have all the cords running behind the heater, and now I'm going to turn the block fan on. So you can see I've got good airflow. I can see the sheets coming up over here. I know there's good airflow in there. I can actually feel the air here, and I can see several things moving around. And so I know I'm getting good circulation in this small area. The block heater is going to heat a room about this size, about anything under 200 square feet. This room here is right at 200 square feet. So this is the perfect size heater for this small of an area without having to bring all the bigger heaters, etc. in. With that fan, again, about 200 square feet is what this will treat with these 3 inlets all plugged in and powered. I'm going to follow the same prep I would with any other heat treatment with this heater. I'm going to open drawers. I'm going to declutter the closet if there's too much stuff in there. Open these drawers here, ladder them open. I would probably launder some of these piles and turn it on, let it run for 24 hours, come back tomorrow to all kinds of dead bugs.